from the March 2022 lows of around 6,800 or so. It's expected to be a strong showing this time around. So a revenue growth of 17% is what we're looking at, in excess of 27,300 crores. The EBITDA will go up about 71% on a year-on-year basis at 2,669 crores, while the margins will improve to about 9.7%. Now, here's what happened this quarter. The volumes went up about 8% year-on-year at 4.65 lakh units, and it was a good, favorable product mix as well as price hikes that will be driving the 17% revenue growth for Maruti. The margins as well, on the back of lower raw material costs and better operating leverage, are expected to improve 300 basis points year-on-year and 50 basis points quarter-on-quarter. Now, a lot of management commentary is awaited. Any clarity on the chip shortage issue is keenly watched out for, because the management last time we spoke had said that they have no idea when the chip shortage issue will normalize completely. Any clarity on further improvement in the SUV market share, because that's the space they're gunning for. Earlier, they had said that their overall market share stands tall at 42% and the non-SUV market share is beyond 65%. But the retail growth in the SUV segment has been very strong, with pending orders of over 363,000. So any optimistic commentary on that will be keenly watched. Steady set of numbers expected this quarter. Back to you.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Sudeep, is Maruti something that excites you? The company has a lot of plans in terms of SUVs to try and regain the lost market share. Would you look at the stock?
Well, Rima, I'll wait and watch. I think, as rightly pointed out by Sonia and you, I think SUV is one segment which is very critical for their future. They have lost their market share. Mahindra is significantly ahead of them. We'll have to see. I mean, they're talking about new models and a lot of orders and things like that. But I will wait and watch. I don't want to rush into buying Maruti based on the expectation of their market share gains. Also, overall, the entire automobile space, particularly four-wheeler space, I'll be a little cautious at this stage. I think we have a little bit of challenge with urban demand, which is coming out in the commentary of multiple sectors. And I'll be a little careful as far as the four-wheeler companies are concerned. If I have to play the auto space, I will rather go and start buying into the auto ancillary companies. Some of them are very well positioned with global linkages as well as strong India business. So I will look at auto ancillary, not the four-wheeler companies.
Okay, so they've got that. Thank you very much for being with us. Great chatting with you as always. Thanks for joining us towards the market close. We've got a couple of minutes left. We will take a quick break before that. Market's finding it a little tough to sort of push through, retaining gains, and there's a fair amount of defensive buying. Lever is the top gainer at this point in time. More on the action as we get set for close.